This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today, we're talking about starting a laundry business in the UAE. Laundry is one of those services people always need. With busy lifestyles, hotels, offices, and residential buildings everywhere, demand stays steady all year round. Under this license, you can wash, iron, and fold clothes for individuals and families, offer dry cleaning, stain removal, and garment care, handle commercial laundry for hotels, restaurants, and hospitals, run pickup and delivery services for homes, offices, provide carpet, curtain, or linen cleaning, operate laundry kiosks or self-service laundromats, offer eco-friendly or premium laundry solutions. Now, let's talk about where you should set up. If your focus is trading laundry equipment, chemicals, or running B2B laundry support services, free zones can be a better fit. Free zones offer lower setup costs, full ownership, and flexible options like warehouses or admin offices. If you plan to run a laundromat, dry cleaning shop, or pickup and delivery service, a mainland setup works best. It gives you direct access to residential customers and corporate clients. You can also contract directly with hotels, restaurants, and offices. Because laundry involves hygiene, chemicals, and equipment, approvals are part of the setup. Depending on your activity and location, you may need Dubai Municipality approval for hygiene and waste disposal, civil defense clearance for fire safety and equipment use, environmental approval for wastewater and chemical handling, building management approval for commercial locations. Compliance is a big part of running a laundry business. You need to follow hygiene and sanitation rules, manage wastewater properly, and store chemicals safely. Equipment must meet safety standards, and staff need basic training for handling chemicals. Insurance for property and liability is also strongly recommended. Opening a business bank account is usually straightforward. Laundry businesses fall into a low to medium risk category. Banks usually ask for your trade license, a lease agreement for your laundry space, shareholder passport, and Emirates ID copies, a business plan showing services and customer types, equipment invoices or supplier contracts, VAT registration if your turnover crosses the threshold, insurance documents if you have any. Here's your game plan. Choose where you want to set up, select your activity, apply for a trade license, secure a commercial premises or admin office, get approvals, draft and sign your MOA if required, receive your license, apply for your establishment card, hire staff and complete safety training, open your bank account and complete VAT registration. And that's it, you're ready to run your laundry business. If this sounds like the right move for you, we can help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start businesses in the UAE over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.